Now, are you familiar with the 333 manifestation method? Well, if you haven't used it yet, you're missing out on a very powerful tool to manifest all of your desires. And then once you put it into practice, you're going to realize it's super easy and effective, especially if you're a beginner, because its power relies on the number 3. So in numerology, the number 333 means that you are aligned with the universe. And this angel number is also connected with the Trinity: optimism, creativity, and intuition. So if you tried to manifest before and it didn't work, then the 333 method might be what you need to supercharge your manifestations this time around. Now, in a few moments, I'm going to show you how it works in 3 simple steps. So keep watching. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, the 333 manifestation method works by writing an affirmation 33 times for 3 days to manifest what it is that you want. Now, these 3 elements form the foundation of this method, and it will help you to create a reality where those outcomes are in alignment with the beliefs and the actions that you have set out for yourself. And so here's how it works in 3 steps. So step number 1 is to be clear about what it is that you want to manifest. Now, you probably have a million things that you want to attract into your life, but it's best to focus on one thing at a time. Being crystal clear about one specific desire, it really helps you to enhance that feeling of that experience for you to be able to attract it into your reality. Now remember, the more specific, the better it is. But what if you don't know what it is that you want? Well, then define what area of life you want to change. Maybe you want to bring some love into your life, or you want to increase your health, or maybe you want to improve your career or change your career. Maybe you need more money. So once you've decided what area of life you want to focus on, look at what you currently have in that area and look at what you don't like or what you really want. So for example, maybe you don't like the way that your job doesn't allow you to spend any time with your family, or it doesn't pay you enough. Now, this negative statement, you can turn it into a positive, and you'll be just a little bit closer to an attainable goal in life. So for example, I said before, I want a job that helps me work remotely. You would write that as I have a job that allows me to work remotely and pays me well and allows me to spend time with my family. Okay, do you understand? So choose specific, measurable actions that can actually bring you closer to that goal. Then you want to create some specific actions based on your goals and your affirmations. So you want to I exercise for 30 minutes for 5 days a week, or I enjoy spending evenings with my family now that I work remotely, or I spend time each day searching for jobs that allow me to work remotely. Okay, so you want to think about the actions that you want to be taking towards that. Now remember, your affirmations are positive statements that through repetition help us to reprogram our minds so that we can overcome our negative beliefs and that we can adopt more positive and empowering beliefs. So by writing your affirmation 33 times each day for 3 days, you will be helping to reprogram your subconscious mind. And by doing this, it will now become aligned with what it is that you want and what you desire, but most importantly, with what you're feeling. So every time you write and say your affirmation, I want you to imagine how amazing it feels now that you already have it. Now that you're already working from home, now that you already have the money that you want, or that you have the health and the love that you're looking for. Really allow those feelings of love and gratitude to take over your mind and body. Now, I'm telling you, this is the secret source of manifestation. It's not just what you think and what you see in your mind, but most importantly, it's what you feel. Because when you can feel the emotions of already being there, then you become a magnet to what it is that you want. Because our frequency that we send out to the unified field is influenced by our thoughts and our emotions. So we want to make sure they're in alignment with what it is that we want, as if we already got it. And then step number 3 is to take 3 steps towards your goal. So once you've chosen your goal and you write down 3 steps that's going to help you to move closer to achieving it, each one should be actionable. So each day, take at least 1 step towards your goal and focus on your affirmations while you're taking that action. This is going to really help you to keep your momentum going, and it's going to ensure that each step naturally leads into the next. And then you want to make sure that you celebrate every small victory along the way, and be sure to reward yourself for reaching all of your milestones. Now, this will reinforce the belief in yourself, as well as give you the motivation to keep on going. Now, the beauty of this manifestation method lies in its simplicity, but it's very effective when you put it into practice on a regular basis. But keep in mind that what works for you might not work for somebody else, and vice versa. So this is why there's so many manifestation methods out there. And you really want to try to see which one is going to be best for you. Not every single method works for every single person. Now, personally, I like using affirmations alone. I simply like to choose one affirmation every day and make it my intention for that day, especially if I'm meditating or I have a specific goal that I'm trying to reach for the day. It really does enhance my visualization practice. So if you'd like to give this a try, make sure that you download my 100 Success and Abundance Affirmations PDF. You'll find the link here. All you need to do is simply repeat one of these affirmations every single day, and by being consistent, you can call in more love and more amazing opportunities and success breakthroughs and so much more. So go to the box below to download your printable PDF ebook, and you can do that absolutely free.